Are you confused about your career? Don't know where you're heading? Everything seems very confusing. Don't worry. In the next few minutes, I will tell you how to build a career map using the time tested framework that will actually help you make this decision faster and easier for you. I'm Ashish Rastogi, your communications and career coach. I help professionals and students like you to build a strong and fulfilling career. Like, subscribe, follow for more such videos. Career Map Framework will actually help you exactly to grow from where you are today to where you want to be. Number one, what is your long term goal? Best way to do this is to imagine where you want to be 5 or 10 years ahead. Example, you want to be a head of the finance in an MNC, or you want to own a software company of your own. Number two, what is your current state, your role, skills, competencies? You are starting your career in finance, you're an analyst, you're good at numbers, with accounting being your key competency. Or you've just graduated from a university, trying to find a job. You've always been good with marketing and have done a few stretch assignments during your university years. Number three, skill or competency gap required to reach each of this path. Best way to do this is to identify a person who's where you want to be, somebody you inspire to be. Example, you could be a successful business owner, you want to develop better communication skills, strategic thinking, and need a marketing skill to be added. A development plan. Now that you know there is a skill gap, how can you develop that skill or competency? Example, you need to take a certification course to enhance your communication skills, or you could do a short term assignment to build a competency, or maybe even do a short term period job to actually build that particular competency in a particular industry that you want. All these examples are perfect for how you can develop yourself. Number five, and the most important one, action plan. Finally, what is your action plan for the next 6, 12, 36 months? Example, in the next 6 months, I want to join a communication skills program. Or next 12 months, I would find a coach or a mentor to start a project. Or for the next 24 months, I'm going to do a job. This 5 step process of building a career framework is to help you develop a more fulfilling career. If you need a personalized support in building this career map framework, share the same with me on comments. Like, subscribe, follow for more. Thank you.